Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review of the ProtoArc EK01 Plus full-size wireless split keyboard, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This ergonomic keyboard stands out with its full-size, split keyframe design that aims to reduce wrist and forearm strain, making it an excellent choice for those who spend long hours typing. The curved layout and scooped keys are thoughtfully crafted to fit your fingertips, promoting a more natural and comfortable typing experience. One of the key features is the adjustable white LED backlighting, which offers 3 brightness levels to suit different lighting environments, perfect for working late nights or in dimly lit rooms. The keyboard also intelligently conserves power by turning off the backlight after inactivity, entering a deep sleep mode to extend battery life. Speaking of power, it's rechargeable, so you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. Connectivity is another strong suit here. The ProtoArc EK01 Plus supports dual Bluetooth and 2.4G USB wireless connections, allowing seamless switching between up to 3 devices with just a key press. This makes it incredibly versatile for users juggling a laptop, tablet, and desktop. Compatibility is broad, covering Windows 8, 10, and above, Mac OS X 10.12 and above, Android 4.3 and higher, and other Microsoft systems. However, note that the keyboard does not support wired connections. Included is a cushioned wrist rest that adds an extra layer of comfort, helping to maintain proper posture and reduce fatigue during extended typing sessions. The gray-black color scheme is sleek and professional, fitting well into most office or home setups. Pros: ergonomic split design reduces muscle strain and promotes better posture. Adjustable LED backlighting with power-saving features. Dual Bluetooth and USB wireless connectivity with easy device switching. Rechargeable battery with long-lasting power. Cushioned wrist rest for added comfort. Wide compatibility across multiple operating systems. Cons: no wired connection option, which might be a drawback for some users. Backlight turns off after short inactivity, which may interrupt workflow for some. Overall, the ProtoArc EK01 Plus is an excellent ergonomic keyboard that combines comfort, functionality, and modern wireless technology. Whether you're a professional, student, or casual user, it offers a solid typing experience with thoughtful features that help reduce strain and increase productivity. Don't forget, the link to grab this keyboard at a discounted price is fixed in the first comment below. Check it out if you're interested in upgrading your typing setup.